What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a Minecraft zombie. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page with the head. We're starting on the left side. Start with a straight line going across from left to right, going all the way across. Now on the ends, we just want to round this out, going around and then straight down. Let's draw that same length line across the side. Now we're going to also round out the bottom corners, pulling this in, and it'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now that we have our square, let's move down towards the bottom half and draw on the face. We're going to start over on the left side with a straight line, going all the way across. On the ends, draw a straight line going up along the side of the eyes. Now I just want to pull this in to right about there. Let's draw a straight line coming down on either side, just up above the bottom of our square. And we'll close this off with a straight line. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw another straight line going across, from left to right. And we'll pull that straight down towards the bottom of the head. Let's go back and fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go up to the top of the head and add the hairline. Starting over on the left, come in, go straight up. Go all the way across towards the middle, go up, across, and then back down. I'm just going to add a little step on the side, going out, down, and then back out. From the bottom corners of the head, let's step in, draw two straight lines coming down the side of the body. And then from here, it's going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's flatten off the feet with a straight line coming in. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the bottom edge of the shirt. Starting on the left, we're going to come straight across to right about here. Let's add that tear, coming down, out, down, and then back out. Now in the center of the legs, draw a straight line going across. Then from the inside of the feet, bend the leg going up and then in underneath that line. Let's separate the bottom of the pant with a straight line. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the collar. Start with two lines coming down the side. Pull this in. Then add that square in the center. Now from the bottom of the head, I'm just going to stretch the arms out towards the side with a straight line. Let's come down the outside of the hand towards the bottom. Now along here, we're just going to add a square. So we're going to come in and then pull that straight up. From the inside corner, we're just going to angle the arms coming up and then in toward the side of the body. And we'll separate the edge of the shirt with a straight line. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon drawing of a Minecraft zombie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.